Okay, this is my sourdough. I took it out of the fridge last night. It's been in the fridge for a couple weeks, and I just fed it, which I feed it pretty much equal amounts of flour with warm water. I make the water between 110 and 115 degrees, and I add just a little bit, and I put this rubber band on because the yeast is gonna reactivate, and we'll see how high it goes up on the jar to see if my yeast is still active, which it should be. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so it's been an hour or two, and see where the rubber band is and how it's bubbled up. So it's doing its thing. It's alive. So I'll be cooking with it later in the week. See, it's really getting bubbly. It's showing up. So that's how much it's increased. So yeah, my yeast is nice and active. So anyway, I'm a mess. Alright, that's it for now. But that's my sourdough yeast. So saving up to make some pancakes later this week. Look at how tall that's gotten from the rubber band. That's crazy. Yes, very active yeast. I'm excited.